How entrepreneurs and business owners get the best health coverage at the lowest cost. If you are self employed or run your own business and feel like you're paying too much for health insurance, or maybe just avoid getting it because you've heard nightmares of how much it can cost or how little bad coverage actually pays for, then I'm going to show you how to get more coverage for the things you want, like medical bills, preventative checkups, unexpected emergency room visits, and prescriptions, and so much more for less than what you thought possible. If you are like most business owners I've met who don't love their current health insurance, I get it. Maybe you got a policy years ago from an agent who just isn't responsive anymore to your growing needs. Or it's possible you might have gone to the marketplace and tried to get on Obamacare but found the premiums to be extremely high. Maybe you have a policy but you feel like you rarely use it and you don't even know what to do with it or how to benefit from it. Well, you're not alone. The unfortunate truth is that high-income, healthy business owners like you get the short end of the stick when it comes to typical health insurance. If you've looked at typical health plans lately, you have made notice that the premiums are very expensive, a lot more expensive than they told us they would be. All too often, these marketplace plans typically come with exorbitant premiums exceeding $2,000 per month, with deductibles exceeding $10,000 or more, plus minimal coverage for emergency room or specialist visits. In my opinion, that's an excessive amount to ask from a hardworking entrepreneur who is doing their best to make ends meet. But did you know that if you're healthy and self-employed or own a business, you actually get far better coverage for far less cost if you don't use the marketplace? By healthy, I mean you haven't had any strokes, surgery, or recent heart attacks. If that's you, and you own your own business or self-employed, and want to save a ton of money on health insurance premiums, by far the best move for you with health insurance is mapping out your own entrepreneur's health insurance policy. This will unlock an extensive nationwide coverage network to you, so you'll get to use all of your favorite doctors no matter where you live or travel to for work. But as a business owner, get this coverage at a fraction of the cost of typical marketplace health insurance. Once you have a plan like this in place, with less guesswork, less phone calls and endless research, and more coverage for less, you'll be able to focus on what really matters, running your business and living the good life. But it gets even better. Right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your entrepreneur's health insurance policy. And I'll show you how much you'll save by switching as soon as possible. On top of that, because you found this video, you'll discover how you can get even more benefits than any other entrepreneur will ever get access to. But first, who am I? My name is Ashley Johnson. I was born and raised in Mobile, Alabama. I've been a business owner and insurance expert for 16 years, closing in on 10,000 satisfied clients, many which are entrepreneurs and business owners. So let's get into it. The typical health insurance you find on Marketplace quotes you based on your health and your income. The more money you make and the healthier you are, the less subsidies you get. That means that you are subsidizing everyone else's health problems and paying their discounted premiums. On top of that, these plans come with extra charges to pay for everyone else's health care, meaning you pay your massive $2,000 premiums every month, and then when you actually have to go to the doctor, you have to pay again. Plus, marketplace policies will leave many policy owners completely uncovered on things you really want, like $0 copays, telehealth prescriptions, and coverage for massive out-of-pocket expenses in the case of severe illness or injury. But marketplace plans rarely offer these. Fortunately, there's an amazing alternative for you. If you are healthy and self-employed or own your own business and make at least $60,000 or more in your business annually, the best health insurance plans for entrepreneurs and business owners like you should come with $0 copays for key benefits, meaning you don't pay anything for doctor visits and prescription deliveries. That means if you need the doctor, you just go, and you don't pay for anything. You should automatically get telehealth, which means if you just have a quick question, you can talk to the doctor on the phone without going in and not have to pay anything. Telehealth allows busy business owners like you not to have to rely on Googling symptoms on WebMD or ignoring health concerns because you're too busy to pause working. So if your business is growing and you're relatively healthy and you plan to make more income as you progress in your career, then you'll save thousands by making the switch right now. And you'll get far more in coverage than what the marketplace offers. Some of those extra benefits include coverage during international travel for business or vacation, lump sum payments upon diagnosis, Plus, if you act now to switch or start your coverage, you can receive one or more benefit only a fraction of business owners ever get. It's something that the marketplace shoppers will never get. You get a dedicated agent with almost 2 decades of experience advocating for clients to the insurance companies in your back pocket for any questions you have about your coverage or how to use it. And you get this benefit 100% free of charge for life. That way, when you have questions like, am I covered? You'll have someone right there to make sure that you are. In today's world, that kind of peace of mind for most of the entrepreneurs I know is priceless. And that dedicated advisor isn't connected to some massive corporate office. You won't have to dial a 1-800 number to reach them. That person will be me. And all of my people know if they need anything, they can just text or call. Take Tim G, for example. Tim runs an auto body shop in Venice, California. He's relatively healthy and does well in his business. He was paying around $2,800 per month for his family of 4 with marketplace coverage. With his entrepreneur's health insurance policy, he got free telehealth, $0 copays, his wife kept their family doctor, and his new monthly premium, $975 per month. That saved Tim and his family around $22,000 per year, while getting his family even more benefits and coverage. The thing is, this isn't a rare occurrence. On average, I can help relatively healthy business owners like you save up to 30 to 50% on your insurance compared to what the marketplace will give you. So if you're finally ready to get the right kind of health insurance coverage for you and your family, the kind that won't overcharge you for everyone else's health issues, the kind that actually pays for the services you use, the kind that comes with a dedicated agent that is always available for you to get help and actually use your coverage, then I have one request for you. Schedule a consultation with me. Below the video, there's a button. When you click that button, you'll be brought to a page where you can schedule a completely free, no obligation entrepreneur's health insurance consultation. During this time, I'll take some time to get to know you, what's most important to you, and learn a little bit more about your business. And by the end, you'll know exactly what type of health coverage is right for you and your family, for now and for the rest of your career. So if you're ready to finally get the right kind of coverage in place, go now and click the button and schedule a consultation. If you see that all the calendar spaces are taken, be sure to bookmark this page and check back weekly. If I find that you're already getting the very best coverage you can get, I'll tell you straight that you're in the best situation available. But if you don't have the right coverage and you feel like you and your family are owed better, schedule your consultation now. I'll see you there. If you're still on the fence about meeting with me, take a look at what a few of my happy clients have said. Jim, Ashley is the best. I had no idea I had options off the marketplace. Obamacare is a joke. I refer all my buddies to Ashley. Janie, I travel a lot for work. I have to. This is what pays my bills. I was so happy when Ashley explained my policy, and I feel so much better knowing I'm covered no matter where I am. Hospital bills are no joke, and that's nothing I tend to get stuck with. Ryan, when my wife became pregnant with our first, I wanted to make sure we were covered for everything we need. Ashley not only got us covered, but she was also repeatedly available for questions while we were at the doctor's getting things done. She helped make everything go so much smoother than it could have been. Look, here's the bottom line. High-performing, healthier business owners like you get absolutely shafted by marketplace health insurance. And you can see by now I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs just like you get the best coverage for far less than you would pay if you just got to the typical marketplace coverage. But like I said, you have to be a little healthier for those lower, cost higher coverage entrepreneur health plans. And health can change for anyone in an instant. So logically, the best next step is to book your consultation now. Let me help you get set right up. Schedule your consultation and put me on your team. It'll be one of the best decisions for you, your business, and your family. I'm looking forward to serving you. Go ahead and book your consultation now.